For Eileen Lamb, a Texas mom who has two sons with autism, the CDC report is significant.
It's not just a statistic to us, it's more like a call to action.
The report says 1 in 31 8-year-olds were identified with autism spectrum disorder in 2022, up from 1 in 36 in 2020. Boys were more than 3 times as likely to be identified with autism as girls, and it was more prevalent in minority children than whites.
We're in a crisis today.
Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says autism is a rampant epidemic.
This whole generation of kids is damaged by chronic disease.
I don't think we have an epidemic of autism.
Dr. Alex Calvison is the clinical director of New York's Seaver Autism Center.
I think that there are a number of factors that are driving the increase in prevalence.
Such as?
Such as broadening diagnostic criteria, perhaps younger age of diagnosis, and getting the diagnosis is a means of getting services, which are important for kids.
He says genetics play a role, not vaccines. Is there any connection between autism and the measles vaccine?
So there's a lot of things that we do not understand as of yet about autism, but one thing we know with certainty is that vaccines do not cause autism. This has been studied extensively across multiple continents, and it's been well established in the scientific community.
Like her two sons, Eileen Lamb is also on the spectrum. She wants more support and more information.
We know that autism has a genetic component, but we need to do more research to understand it better.
Some numbers here, but this is really a people story when we come back down to it. And does this reflect the ability of doctors to make a better diagnosis?
Yeah, and that helps explain, for example, why there are more cases or more prevalence in California than Texas. Because pediatricians in California have been trained to look for autism and recommend early intervention, and that program, and there are centers as well. So it's that access to resources and the training of doctors that plays a big role here.
So is it more diagnosis, not more autism?
Exactly. Okay. That's it.
We're learning a lot. Ann, thank you.
Thank you. Let's go to
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.